I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. We combine 40 years of industry experience with modern tech to keep your business moving.
Watch this video to learn how to partially dispose of fixed assets in Xero. In the Fixed Asset Register, under the Registered tab, select the fixed asset you want to partially dispose of. We'll select Tripod, which in this example actually accounts for 5 tripods. Then, click the Overflow menu and select Delete. This will reverse all depreciation posted. Click Delete to confirm. Now we need to separate the asset so there are individual entries for each tripod. Click New Asset. Enter the name of the fixed asset using the Asset Name field. We'll enter Single Tripod. Enter the purchase date as the original purchase date. In this example, we'll enter January 1st, 2024. Next, enter the purchase price of the individual part of the original asset. Make sure you consider the original cost of the assets you're part disposing. For this example, the tripods were all purchased for the same price, so we'll enter 100, which is 1/5 of the original fixed asset price. Then, click the Asset Type drop-down and select the original asset type. We'll select Equipment and Machinery. Moving on to the book depreciation settings, which Xero pre-populates from the asset type you chose. Check and update the default depreciation rate or effective life details to match the original asset you deleted. For this example, we'll keep the rate the same as the default rate. We now need to account for the depreciation posted. For this example, each tripod was purchased for 100 each. Then click into the accumulated depreciation field and enter the depreciation for the asset. For this example, we'll enter 20. Next, click Register so the fixed asset is created and ready for you to dispose of as normal. Complete the steps to create new assets for the remaining parts, or alternatively, import the fixed assets to speed up entry.